See, man?
You'll never be the same. That's the way it is. Put it.
See people, so welcome back to the channel, you understand? We in a field now, we'll get some apple, you understand? So rapper there, I try to reach for the apple tree, you understand? So straight up.
Straight up.
Yeah, so make sure some guys keep it locked. What you say name again? What apple name?
Cashew.
Cashew.
Call it cashew back in the South America.
Right, so cashew in South America, so make sure you get that name, people. So
Yeah.
I'll go over the tree right now and show the guys exactly what I go on.
What's
So
going down?
keep it locked.
Let's roll.
Yeah, let's roll. Yeah man, up in the tree, man. The tree the people. What is it? From outside you can't really see no play them. Understand? The tree dark, you see? Yeah. The loaded. So the one here is the kind of blossom.
I tell you, if you're big girl and them build them in a walk fire, it's trying to pick them. You know you're not trying to pick them.
No sir.
Them in a night. If you see water, them must be. Ah, good for putting them on.
Yeah man, up a pull my tree.
Yeah, tomorrow. I see what them.
Yeah man.
Let's go. See me guys, let's pick one first.
Say thing about it now, see them drop. And chop a ground.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna wish one. I know for them they're ground same way, you know.
Oh,
You understand?
you know.
You climb it still, you know.
You have go up in there?
Yeah man.
It look difficult though. Like you have a soldier climb.
You can jump press up this one.
Just to make certain.
Dark outside now. Yeah people, so right now, I'm about to go up in the chair now, so me and climb it, you understand? Get some apple. So you real black apple up in the top. So me can climb it, you understand? Yeah. So
What?
you climb my tree and shoes, you know.
Let me observe. I'm scared we are dangerous climber, man.
So go on.
Yeah. You don't play, man.
Alright, careful, can I come now?
Man. Oh, you have the bag too.
Yeah man, I have a bag. Yeah people, so I'm in a chair now. I'm showing you some black apple. You understand? Behind me. Yeah. Alright, so I see that ground. You see black one and white, sir? Yeah.
Oh, you can reach him.
Yeah man. See that man?
I drive there.
Eh?
Part I drive.
Pot tell him?
Yeah. I look apart. See that?
What is a pot? Yeah man, I see it. Yeah, so picking time, you know, so we can make some juice. Over the same way, have some good apple. Understand? So when if we can pick up all taste first. Some bag, yeah. Cannot listen, you know. Understand? So we do it, you know. Alright, so what you say? Okay, sister. Yeah. Let me see what I go on. Alright, so go up on the edge, huh? Alright. One drop.
Yeah. 6.
Where? Up top.
Yeah. You see them?
Yeah, up top, so.
So, you can walk one of them before each other. We'll pick them one and stuff.
Yeah.
You keep them in your bag.
You want to leave
Yeah,
it
sure.
closer, you know. It's one of my bird bite.
Not all of them.
There, man. And sample one still, you know. Which one, this? Yeah. Alright, so I sample my first one now. You understand? People, I'm juicy. Sweet, man. Put some more and good in, because Don't want to fall out of this tree. Yeah man, so I want to hear people juicy. Yeah man. Enough there to you can get them. Yeah. Alright. Some apple is me. Here's my juice. Nice, juicy, sweet. I'm loving it. You understand?
That's one, sir. Two layers right there in front. You see them? See them right there, sir? Two of them. And throw the stick up to you.
Come on, wait.
Just put name out and catch it. Ready?
Come on.
So remember, the one that I show you.
Which one? What side is it?
No, no. Yeah.
Over here, sir?
Same right there, sir.
There.
Yeah.
Alright, you catch him.
Yeah.
These people. Some black apple over here, so you know. Can you catch him?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start picking now. I mean, some of them are good something there, you know. Can pick. Suppose you can pick them with my hand, man.
What are they?
Catch.
Yeah. See him, sir. See him, sir. You don't like that. And two the behind them. Two of them black guys soft.
Yeah.
Two the behind them.
Behind the mirror.
No, lower one.
Down here, sir?
Yeah. No, not partner one there.
Which one?
See him one coming
This?
down. The other one coming down.
Eh?
The other one, push your hand forward.
Oh, yes, sir?
Yeah, right there, sir. See them?
I see them, yes? Sit down. A big one drop there.
This one?
Check his stem if it does speak.
Or what the one over here?
Hmm?
Or what the one over here? Too far.
Yeah, maybe use stick for that.
Alright, see if we can use the stick for them to where they're lower. See if we can. Two on it yesterday.
This?
No, down low. To the straight down now. To your left. Yeah, straight down. Down low, low. Right down.
Oh, they must.
Yeah.
I'll go to that edge. Alright, so one up beside the people. Over there, so. So. Nothing in the tree, man. So right now, I'm up on the edge, so.
I trade them a bit.
Yeah. I drop my gun, you know, so. So be careful, you know. I'm on right now, I'm go over to the side, eh. Alright, so. See if we can pick the one right there, so. I'm black one over here, so.
I go to the next side.
This one, yeah? Can I catch it? Took a job.
Well on.
You there? So when you again over here, sir, you pick it. You just run with you. Yeah man, like that.
Keep on reaching over there, sir.
What do I say there?
Yeah, some black one is over there.
Alright, I'll go over there now. Go over here now. Sweet man, I tell us it's sweet. Yeah. Which side, sir? The side over here, sir? Or the side over down there, sir?
Straight out where you stick it. Straight out.
Oh, that's all?
Just lift out your stick. Lift it up. Continue lift it
Oh, I see them. Yeah, man. Them, sir? Yeah. You want a big? Try, get a comfortable spot. Alright, so see them now. See that? Sticker kinda short. Alright, two drop there. Yeah, but you wanna, it stick short. Yeah man, give bamboo better. For use. Bamboo what you say now?
Huh?
What can I get?
The bamboo? Bamboo right here somewhere. I see.
Alright, so people I mean I tree same you know. Up well loaded. You understand? Yeah. The bamboo they kinda have some things pan to and clean off. The people. But I tree you know. Couple feet well. You understand? Go and pick some up the same way. Then now we can make some juice. So now so I go on, you understand? Yeah. Cashew juice. As we Europe say. Some cashew juice. Yeah. An idea. Yeah, I don't lie. I can't go honest. Cocoa? Them a lick. So that's it now. Yeah man, so get a good amount of people. Show them what I go on. I come down to the tree now. So I take down the bamboo first. And you know, I show you guys what I go on same way. You understand? So make sure you keep it like you know. Yeah.
Let me get more of it.
Yeah. I go on and I see it. Yeah man. So do it you know.
That's just the way it is. And everything will never be the same. And that's the way it is.
Go there.
Uh-huh.
Oil black you know.
Hold them,
Lower it up.
Hold them.
Yeah. Yeah man, so I really think man know you people to make some juice. We have sugar and thing you know. So great at them. Blend up them.
Better blend it.
Yeah man, blend it.
You know how long time I've been a greater it? I think it's
Yeah.
blend.
So we want to grate them still.
Greater, that means I can't.
Natural way, but we can blend it still. Nothing wrong with that.
No, I think the greater better.
Greater.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Some ginger. Alright, so you didn't want to know people from out of the bush. Huh?
And the crystal.
Yeah. Yeah man, you blend it up you know. Blend up it. And make some juice. Grate it?
Yeah.
Can't blend it too, you know, nothing wrong, you know. Anything.
You want me to say greater now.
Yeah.
The greatness side, it'll make it better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, make it greater. Yeah. Alright, I'm done. Greater, make it greater. What's wrong with that?
Just keep an eye each other.
That's all. And we ants them still kinda away but good man. Yeah man, see that? Well grated down, you know?
Natural juice, naturally.
Yeah, them they're great already. So I see I'm showing you guys the real process, you know? So wash them off well clean, you understand? See the people, some of yes already, well ready. We're straining off everything, so rest right now, so go in the fridge, go on cool.
Yeah.
And later on, we'll see what I go on, you understand?
We go hard, cash you in a yard, cash money from abroad. Toast.
Cash this now.
Cash money, man. Cash
Well,
drink.
nice.
Yeah, man, well cool. Melody.
Yeah. See the people.
We call it a toast.
Toast, you know?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man. Real cashew juice, apple
Yeah,
juice.
bro.
See, they in a cup there.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
So we say we go hard. This are from my yard. Straight to abroad. Shoot.
Shoot.
Camera. Light. Action.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. And rapper represent rap entertainment. You don't know. This is how we do it. They show you from the start to the finish. So this is when we consume it and we having it. So we say toast to the
Yeah, man. Toast.
toast
Toast.
to the real ones. And so we are go hard, shoot it your yard, straight to abroad. We are live we are live large.
So my time now for sample the juice, yeah. Apple juice. Cashew apple.
Yeah.
From where? South America.
Yeah.
Test it now. So it tastes. Refreshing, man, you see it?
Mr. Sterling,
Natural
man.
taste. Refreshing vibes. You don't know rapper?
Yeah.
Go already now. You see it?
Straight.
Yeah.
Mr. Sterling, man. Tell him about the pound, man. We go hard.
Tell him no, man.
Heavy weight. Cash. Pallet on the doorstep.
Yeah, you don't know.
Yeah, man.
Real juice is natural.
Yeah.
Yeah, so make sure you see that, you know. Yeah, man.
Natural with carrot and ginger.
Yeah. Sugar.
The brown crystal. Rare, yes. Real thing.
Yeah, man. Real natural. Yeah.
And it's all about the beat. But you know, I got in with the rum. So this is called a rum cash. So this is all about how we go. Yeah, this is how we go, how we roll. This is how we roll, we roll. And you know, what about it? The greatest thing is Mr. Sterling plan. And Mr. Sterling know what greatness is. And this is greatness, okay? So just live it. Yeah, it's better than to be 6'6". So just pick. Yeah, just pick what you want and make it. Yeah, bless. Straight up. Tell them to pick it, man. You know what I want next? My girl. So I could just pick my girl and that's it. You know? That's what I want next. My girl.
Your mother.